Hey everybody, I'm Kate with Crate Insider, and this week I have a great lineup of products to talk to you about. But first, I know I've been talking a lot about RaceLogic, and that class took place last weekend. And I am, well, not this last weekend, like over the weekend, but on the weekend of the 11th and the 12th. So anyway, what's really exciting is that class is now fully edited and it's ready to go. It was really a fantastic class. We did a chassis dyno. There was also a car there. There was on actuators on top of a surface plate. There was a shock dyno, a spring smasher, all of these great tools. And now you're able to buy it as a full bundle. We didn't talk a lot about maintenance, not as much as I've seen in past shows. So what we're able to do is be able to put together multiple classes so you can really catch up on some of those maintenance items. And, that stuff hasn't really changed. You'll be able to catch up on that in some other versions of the class. Plus, it also includes a sponsorship segment from Claude Haggerty. And I have to tell you, I've done sales for a long time, a big part of my life. And what I learned in that class, I was just writing fast and furiously. I knew I could watch the replay, but I'm a note taker. And I learned some key phrases, including the $1 million question, which I will not reveal. You've got to see it for yourself. And, if you really want to be out there and getting the most out of your racing program, especially, with sponsors, with sponsorship, it really takes you to a whole nother level. So I would certainly encourage you to check that out. It is available separately. So if you're not racing a crate late model and you're not interested in that portion, you can just pick up that sponsorship piece, and you can find that over at RaceLogic.vip. So, it's one of those places where getting together with some really smart people, learning some great information and tips. And a lot of times I'll pick up some product suggestions as well and get my questions answered. So I think it will help any racer, no matter what level you're at. So check that out, racelogic.vip, and just click on the all courses and you can go right on over there and pick up that bundle. But in the meantime, or separately from that, let me go ahead and show you guys some products this week. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite video types is watching unboxing videos, because I like to know when I'm ordering something what comes in the box. And so what I have right here, this is our 5-star bodies MD3. It is our right side spoiler kit. Now this comes in other colors, but we sell it in black. So those are your choices. So I see, it's coming boxed nicely in here. Nice fitted box. And there we go. So we have our 2 brackets right here that you can affix to your car. And there's our right side spoiler. So you can see what it comes with. I don't see anything else in this box. What's great, this makes it so that your right side spoiler is adjustable and makes it easy for you to have something that's already ready-made and ready to go. So our right side spoiler kit, of course, it's available here at CrateInsider.com, and now you know what comes in the box. All right, one of my favorite products, if you guys have been watching for any length of time, you know that I love my Kaiser wheels. And one of the accessories that we sell with our Kaiser wheels is our wheel covers. Now, these are pretty cool because they do have the bolts, and then not only do they have the bolts, but they have the stoppers on the back. So you don't have to worry about unbolting them from your wheel and then just having the bolts, end up in the dirt or whatever. I also think it's pretty handy too. We've got this hole in the center, so it does make it really simple for you to be able to, actually have a gripping surface. Now, I did have a question earlier this week. I think someone saw that we had the black ones and that they were wondering if we also sold the polished ones. And yes, we do. And why? Because I love shiny things. But no, I know a lot of you guys do too. So whether you would choose to go with the black wheel covers or with the polished wheel covers, we do carry them both here at Crate Insider. And yeah, really easy to install. They're going to be compliant with, get your bolts. They're going to go with the wheels that we sell. It all goes together. It's a great package. So if you have any questions about those, feel free to drop them in the comments. You're are a lot of challenges when we're dealing with race cars, anything from ignition issues to cooling, but another really popular thing that can be troublesome is your fuel system. And what is great here, we have the Willys high flow fuel filter system. So you can bolt this on, it comes with its own filter inside of here, and we also sell the replacement filters as well. So if you've been looking for a really good fuel filter, there really wouldn't be any better one to trust than our Willys high flow fuel filter. Now, a popular product that we started carrying, I didn't realize how popular it would be our primer bottles. Now, we sell this in a couple of different sizes, but this makes it easy to go ahead and squirt fuel right into your carburetor, get things going, whatever you need to do to prime your carburetor. Just a really simple piece. You can see it's got it has a tapered nozzle on it so that you can really be able to control that fuel and squirt it right where you need it, exactly inside of your carburetor. And like I said, we got a couple of different sizes. I think this is the smaller one. This is the 8 ounce, and I believe we've got a 16 or 16.9 ounce. You can check that on the website. But if you're looking for a primer bottle, we've got them right here at Crate Insider. Okay, today I'm going to talk about probably our most popular product, or our second most popular product, and that is our matched beehive valve springs, which the first popular product is our Match 602 valve springs. We started matching these years ago at the request of some customers. Back when we started selling them at Crate Insider, nobody had them online. So we were really the first ones out there. There was no idea on the pricing or anything else. And it really has become a staple. There's a whole room here dedicated to matching valve springs. And so these beehive valve springs, what we do is we unwrap thousands of these things, and we use our digital bench tester that we got from Longacre. It's a fantastic machine, and we rate each and every one of them. We get rid of anything that's bad or that wouldn't make the cut, and then we do repackage them. So you'll have 8 springs that are labeled for your intake, and then 8 for your exhaust. And now I don't give you exact numbers. I know you'll see that in other places, and the reason why is because we do not rate these at install height. If we rated them at install height, it would be basically like kissing them. It's just not enough pressure to really know about much of anything. So where we rate them is about halfway through the path of travel, so we can really get a much better idea of where that spring is. So that, just watch out for that. If you see things advertised in that manner, just watch out. That's all I would say about that. But our matched beehive valve springs, perfect for a 604 or for a CT525. It uses the same spring. We've got them right here at Crate Insider. We've been selling them for years, and our customers really count on us to be able to do a great job with those. So if you need a set, you can go ahead and click on the link and head on over, and we will get those right out to you. Now, we're getting to that time of year where racing season is beginning, and so if you are needing a new transponder, we have a whole kit put together here. So you get the transponder, you also get the charging unit, and the pouch right here that you can attach to your car. So it really makes it simple. You can just click on one button. But the cool thing is we also sell all of these items separately. And I don't know what it is with people losing chargers or what have you. We certainly sell quite a few of those. And then those pouches, they can get kind of dirty. So if you need any of the replacement parts, we've got them. But if you're looking to just kind of replace your whole unit, then we've got them right here. Our Receiver transponder package right here on Crate Insider. So there you have it. There are some product highlights for this week. And, as always, if you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to drop them into the comments, and definitely appreciate if you could like and subscribe, or if you want to take it to another level, look up Crate Insider and give us a great Google review. It really helps, and it really helps to elevate our business, and every little bit, that we can help each other helps all of us in racing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.